Look at 1 and 2 thing, you know. But I'm right, this someone called me. I'm one shout it out. All of my business gone on the road.
That look like Bustamante wife.
Bustamante wife.
DIT and Fancy Cat Show.
Alright, check this out. I mean Fancy Cat again in the street at downtown Kingston. And we have 2 photographs of 2 Jamaican female. One of them is an athlete, Merlin Otti. The other one is a Jamaican folklorist, Louise Bennett. So right now we are going in the tongue to see how much people know this Falla Black and me. To a girl here, come here, baby. I love your weave. The item Fancy Cat TV show. Do you know this lady? You know how it is?
I don't really watch the sports now. Shame to say.
I don't remember her name.
That look like Bustamante wife.
Bustamante wife. I have a long day today. Ask her if she know. You know the lady, yeah? Tell them who.
No time, I'm early.
That man look like a man with know about Jamaican people. Tell them who this. Tell them who this. Tell them who this.
Early natty.
The man is a real man. Mommy, tell them who this. Oh, yeah, I dark. I dark. Ask Marva. Where's she there? Marva! Dirty Marva! Oh, sorry.
Go in the check out.
Merlin natty.
Merlin Ati.
Who this?
You know.
She go cute, she don't know.
No, on the face, look. Away, I don't understand. I don't know that one, man.
Look good, man.
I don't know that one, man.
What's your name?
Brown sugar.
Alright, she said this one is brown sugar. Anybody else think this one is brown sugar? So the one here who again?
Darling.
So the one, them said the first one are Carlin, aka Danai wife. Earth. And the one is?
My friend, see, after yesterday on the TV, we got the idea of the rain. Yes, that's the girl.
And them said the next one are Veronica Campbell.
We don't want no one.
You know who this? Yeah, sit down back there.
I don't remember her name.
Alright, try that one.
She was, I don't know she. Louise Bennett.
That's the thing.
Louise Bennett. You don't know Louise Bennett,
How old is?
Oh, you now.
Miss Lowe.
Who?
Miss Lowe.
Shout it out on the top of your
Louise Bennett.
The man I know what I want. The man I know that's there for the money, no mystery. Tell Jamaica who this. Tell Jamaica who this and say nah go serve.
Yes, you go see one photo back.
Who the next one? Who the next one? Miguel with 20. Who the next one?
Who that? Louise Bennett.
How you going? You gotta get for serve the man now. How you eye for you want it? Oh. Basically this is Merlin Otti.
That's she. Merlin herself. I'm from the cover.
You see that a Merlin?
Merlin Otti. Merlin Otti this?
That's Merlin Otti. You're here this, who this? I'll let them know if you're doing this account money, you know. She don't know Merlin Otti, she don't know Miss Louis Bennett. What mean name?
I think, yeah.
Work with that. Tell me if you know the lady here. I'm going to be in and bun to them now. Some people know it, some people don't. I can't kill them. Because not being a man picture will show them. You know, show them the Gaza picture, and show them the Gully picture. Simple show them Merlin Otti and Louise Bennett, Miss Lou. Once again, this is the Curious Cat in the Street. Until we meet again the next time, we're going to ask, what's up with all the false eyelashes? Damn.
One I mean have two, and I can go buy my own thing and cook my own food. John, not so much people over here, son. This me I run from, you know.
I'll put on my glass and see it go.
Alright, I'll pass them fast and go in. So much crowd in the shop, you're done. There's somewhere else, you know, man.
You come again. Congregation watch all the time. We all love the show.
Church?
Yeah.
Whatever they see him somewhere, man.
Yeah, man, where is my start, yo?
But I'm right, this time I'm one shout it out. All of my business gone on the road. Yes. 3 pounds, not so correct.
Praise the Lord.
Sorry, babes.
I mean, that's scandal, but Marcy.
Yeah, come service to me.
I'll do some local shopping, you know?
Marcy, look at the bag and the aisle. So whenever your groceries.
Look at one and two thing, you know?
So buy out like we to know, bitch,
Don't forget the chicken back.
I mean, you forget chicken back, man.
3 pounds.
No, sir, 2 pounds, I forget.
Who forget 3 pounds of chicken back? 3 pounds of chicken back. Who forget it?
Yeah, I'm a see paper.
3 pounds of chicken back or something.
John, stop. What never say.
Chicken bag is a pan of paper.
No, a chicken part.
Chicken bag. I want to you a chicken bag. You know, every week chicken bag.
Chicken back in order. You're going to eat, get to chicken back in order.
I think everybody going to have a chicken bag.
Chicken back.
You have a chicken bag.
Embarrassment, listen. Yeah? Big embarrassment, listen, on Sunday. So I have to take myself, you know. I don't understand. I can't believe it's happened to me in a day. Should I send fancy cat, you know?
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel fancy cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy cat.